video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a chocolate milkshake and also how to make an ice cream sundae. So with no further ado, let's jump straight into this video. A girl is excited. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Let's begin, okay? Okay, so the ingredients for the ice cream sundae and the chocolate milkshake will be down below, but for your fillings and your toppings, it can be tailored towards your preference. So anything that you want to put in, you can spice it up and make it. So for me, I use a lot of chocolate. I use cat chocolate, I use ping pong chocolate, I use vanilla ice cream, but everything will be down below, so you can check in the description box below for all of the ingredients on everything that I use, measurements, everything. So let's begin.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is preparing my toppings and my fillings for the sundae. So I have wafer, I have Oreo, and I have a chocolate cookie. I also have other chocolates, and you'll see those throughout the video. I have catch, ping pong. So now I'm just going to be crushing up some toppings and fillings, the Oreos, the wafers, and getting them ready so that I can start on the sundae. Okay, so now for my favorite part. So we're actually going to be making the sundae. So what I'm doing first is to fill the bottom of the cup with the wafer, chocolate cookie, and Oreo. Then I'm going to add a scoop of ice cream and push it down because you want more room to add more filling. And I'm going to repeat the process of adding filling, ice cream, filling, ice cream. Now we're going to be making the chocolate milkshake. So I'm using the Lasco chocolate mix, and I'm going to be making 3/4 cup of the chocolate milk. So I measured out 3/4 cup of water, and then I added the mix, and now I'm just going to be mixing it up and start making this milkshake. Okay, so now I'm going to be pouring the 3/4 cup of chocolate mix into the blender, and I'm going to be adding 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now, if you want your chocolate milkshake to be more, I would say, cold, or have a more, cooling flavor, you can add some ice. I would prefer you add 3 to 4 cubes of ice. Then also I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and I'm just going to blend. So I'm going to be decorating my cup. So I'm adding a scoop of ice cream, then I'm going to pour in the milkshake, and I'm going to be adding toppings such as like catch chocolate, ping pong chocolate, wafer, and you can just be creative with your toppings. Test this to you guys, so I'm going to be taking the first bite. Delicious. Make sure you try it out, guys. Bye, guys.